These are 7 sneakers you should buy while you can. These sneakers are either going to go up in price or they're just fire, straight fire on feet, so make sure you buy them before it's too late. The best Air Jordan 1 of the year, the most hyped sneaker of the entire year, the Air Jordan 1, lost and found. You guys should buy these while you can, because I do expect prices down the line to skyrocket. The Chicago Air Jordan 1 is so coveted, it's so sought after. This is the sneaker that started it all, and it's a very in-demand Air Jordan, especially after the Last Dance documentary. These are going for around $400. I do expect them to skyrocket over time. It's going to be a great hold, a great wearable sneaker. People are going to wear them all the time and just cause that price to go up. This is a clean, very wearable, very anticipated sneaker. Great storytelling. Don't sleep on the lost and found Chicago Air Jordan 1s. Buy them while you still can. It's all about the details on the lost and found Jordan 1s with the aged look. They killed it. They knocked it out of the park. It's a great wearable sneaker. Make sure you guys put on your drip grip sole protectors to the bottom here. Leather quality is nice. The packaging is awesome. Storytelling is awesome. There's nothing not to like about the lost and found Air Jordan 1 Chicago. It's a great wearable sneaker. Buy them while you have the chance. Lost and found Air Jordan 1 giveaway. All you guys need to do to enter this free giveaway is like this video, smash that subscribe button, subscribe to Affordable Shoe Review, his link is down below in the description, and leave a comment. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1 lost and found. This giveaway ends next week, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in, and be sure to DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, with proof that you subscribed to both of our channels. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Good luck for a free pair of lost and found Air Jordan 1s, and make sure you guys subscribe for free sneaker giveaways. This next sneaker is a classic OG Jordan that you guys can get for retail. Some places you can get them for on sale under retail. Use coupons, find discounts. It's crazy. This sneaker is so clean, so wearable. Oh my goodness. I don't know how these are so slept on from this year. I'm not sure. This is a sneaker I've been waiting for with the Nike Air treatment for a long time. The Air Jordan 3 fire red with that beautiful Nike Air on the back. Quality is nice. It's wearable. It's clean. You cannot go wrong. I'm sorry, you can't go wrong at all with the fire red Air Jordan 3. To see these going for these prices is crazy. Down the line, years down the line, I do expect them to go up. However, it's not a hold in any way, but it's still a very wearable sneaker. These are so clean. Wear them every day. They're gonna look fresh on feet. They match a lot of outfits. And red's my favorite color, so this is definitely a go-to for me. I love them, man. I'm so happy they finally brought it back with that Nike Air. We've been waiting since 1988 with that Nike Air on the back. It's been a long time coming, and they did them great. They did a great job. The elephant print is true to its OG form. They did a great job with the fire red 3s. Don't sleep on them. I know people are sleeping right now, but don't. If you can get them for a great price, hey, do it. If you can get them for retail or less, do it. It's a great pair of Jordan 3s. The Jordan 3 is very similar to the Jordan 4. I think the 3s might be up next. We'll see, but don't sleep on the fire red 3s. Too heavy. Please don't. They're a great pair. A classic pair of sneakers. You can't go wrong on the fire reds. The Jordan 4 has a lot of hype to it, a lot of demand this year, and this pair of Air Jordan 4s happens to be, in my opinion, the most wearable, the most clean, and one of the most expensive Jordan 4s to release this year, the Air Jordan 4 Military Black. This sneaker is so clean in hand. Quality is nice with the leather, the suede around the toe. It's a very wearable sneaker as well with that colorway. That color blocking, of course, being very similar to the Jordan 4 Military, just with black instead of blue, which makes it a little bit more wearable than the actual Militaries, if you ask me. This sneaker is so clean. I know people are not really sleeping on them because that resale is so high at like $350, and down the line, they're going up. They're going up. It's been a good hold. Grade School has been a very good hold. They're gonna go up. even more. It's a wearable sneaker that you're gonna see a lot of people wearing, which causing that price just to go up. Buy them while you can. I know they're expensive at like $350, but it's a really good Jordan 4. One of the best Jordan 4s to release this year. Not my favorite. I do have my favorite coming up later on in this video, so keep on watching. But I will say that the militaries happen to be the most wearable Air Jordan 4 that's released this year. Not my favorite, but definitely the most wearable. Don't sleep on the military blacks. Go cop them if you don't have a pair. They're so clean, they're so wearable. It's a great pair of sneakers. Sneakerheads, Sole Premise makes bags that are designed to store your sneakers safely and securely when you're traveling. As you guys can see, I have 5 to 6 pairs of sneakers inside of this bag, and there's even room on the bottom as well for another pair. I also have room for my laptop, my clothes, and a bunch more. All Sole Premise bags right now are 50% off for Black Friday. Use my code DannyMoore at checkout and you're gonna get 50% off your favorite Sole Premise bags. And if you guys are watching this video later on, use my promo code DannyMoore. You're still gonna get 40% off. Sole Premise bags are very affordable all year long, so make sure you guys go cop. Click my link down below in the description and get 50% off using my promo code DannyMoore. Sole Premise bags are high quality and they're designed to store your sneakers safely and securely. This next sneaker is a sneaker collaboration with Michael Jordan's own son, Marcus Jordan. Trophy Room has a lot of hype, a lot of demand, a lot of ring to it. People hear Trophy Room, they automatically think, hey, what's the resale, right? Well, resale is not high on this pair of Trophy Rooms at all, and I think it's a great buy. If you like this sneaker, if you mess with Jordan 7s, I think it's a great buy. It's wearable, it's clean, it reminds me so much of the Olympic, along with the Carmine Jordan 6. Red hits, it's just a beautiful sneaker. Michael Jordan's signature on the back heel. Quality on the suede is so nice. They come with some extra laces. The packaging is crazy out of this world. You have a basketball court on the inside of the box. The details, the storytelling, everything about the Trophy Room Jordan 7 is just fire, straight fire. And resale is not high. Retail was $225 plus tax plus shipping. It's going for under $300. There's not much profit to be made on these. I think it's a great buy. They were limited. They were tough to get. Not everybody has them. And I think it's a great pair of Jordan 7s. Down the line, prices may go up because that tends to what happened to Trophy Room. Trophy Room sneakers usually go up. I just think it'll take a long time for these because it's a 7. But it's a clean Air Jordan 7. Don't sleep too hard on the Trophy Rooms. I think at the price they're at, it's a great buy. If you can get them for retail, it's even better. It's a great pair of Jordan 7s with details all over these. The details, the storytelling. Oh my goodness, it's a great pair of Jordan 7s. I know people don't care about 7s too much, but it's Trophy Room. And when you look at the prices of the Trophy Room Jordan 1s, Jordan 5s, they're crazy, expensive. Well, the 7s are definitely obtainable. Definitely obtainable, so don't sleep. Buy them while you still can. Drip Grip Sole Protectors are the best sole protector on the market. I have them on my off-white Nike Dunks. So as you guys can see, I wear these and all the dirt and grime is not getting actually on the sneaker. It's on the Drip Grip Sole Protector. So when I peel off the Drip Grip Sole Protector, the bottom is gonna look brand new, keeping the sneaker in great condition, and I can resell them for more, or just go ahead and put on another Drip Grip Sole Protector to protect my sneakers, protect my investment. Make sure you guys copy your Drip Grip Sole Protectors with my link down below in the description and use my code DANNY30 for 30% off for Black Friday. And if you guys are watching this video after Black Friday, you could still use my code DANNY10 for 10% off your order from Drip Grip, the best sole protectors on the market. No slips, no tears, multiple wears with Drip Grip, the best sole protector on the market. Make sure you guys click the link down below and check them out. God did! The DJ Khaled, We the Best Air Jordan 5s. We're getting 2 colorways. Both are releasing on Cyber Monday. These Air Jordan 5s are fire. We're finally getting a DJ Khaled collaboration. It's been years in the making. We've been waiting for this for a long time. It was only right to give him the collab. They did on a Jordan 5, and I must say, quality looks amazing. These colorways are great. We're getting 2 pairs. There are 4. The other 2, friends and family. These 2 pairs that are releasing, the crimson pair and this like cream color pair, they're fire. The sail colorway, they're fire. They're very wearable, they're clean. Retail's a little up there at $225, but there's gonna be a little bit of resale on them, and I think it's a great pair. Both of them are great pairs of Jordan 5s. You can't go wrong. It's about time, right? We're getting a DJ Khaled collaboration. The man deserves it. He puts in the work, and if you guys notice, he's really putting in the work on this collab, promoting it like nobody else really does. We usually see Travis promote it a few days before, maybe day before, night before the drop, day of release. Well, DJ Khaled, he's all over it. Every day we're getting new posts of him promoting his shoes, whether it's on Snapchat, Instagram, everywhere. Name a platform, DJ Khaled is on there promoting his shoes, and it's great to see, and it's great marketing. Genius. So I'm all for it. I think they're clean. I think they're great. Definitely a must cop. I love DJ Khaled. I love the music. We the best. I love the entire thing. God did. I love everything he says. Another one. I've just been a DJ Khaled fan for a long time. I give it to him. I give the man his props. He puts people together that you wouldn't necessarily think belong together, and the songs just pop. They just hit hard. He's great. He's a great DJ, and he's great. DJ Khaled. Getting his own Air Jordan 5 collaborations, I'm here for it. I think you guys should buy them while you can. Down the line, who knows, we may see prices skyrocket out of nowhere because his other collaborations are expensive as hell. Like $10,000, $20,000 sneakers. So it's about time we're getting a general release version to the public. And hey, I'm here for it. Don't sleep on the DJ Khaled. We the best Air Jordan 5s. Buy them while you still can. I know I'm going to. Now this sneaker is going to sell out and have a lot of demand. A lot of people want these because we get this model every single year. They always sell out. There's always hype, always some demand, and some resale. It's a clean pair of Air Jordan 11s. You can't go wrong. If you guys like the Concords, hey, you might like these as well, because if you take away the black and you just make it red, you get the Air Jordan 11 Cherry. Buy them while you can. Trust me, they're going to be an easy cop, I think, for most of you on release day, December 10th. They're going to sell out, though, and I'm sure we'll have restocks down the line. This is a great pair of Jordan 11s. You guys can't go wrong with a pair of Jordan 11s. During the holidays, it's a must. It really is a must. And this white and red colorway is clean. I like these better than the Winlike 96s, the all red Jordan 11. I think this is better. It separates better with the white. I think it's a clean looking shoe. Like I said, Concords just with red instead of black. It's clean. Red's my favorite color. These go hard. They're wearable. That cherry red really does pop. Hey, you can't go wrong with some Jordan 11s any time of year, but especially for the holidays. Buy them while you can. Prices will drop. I don't think it's going to be too expensive. I'm not expecting prices to be too high for resale, but I do expect one day, years from now, they'll creep up like Jordan 11s usually do. Hey, guys, it's a clean Jordan 11 at the end of the day. They're wearable, white and red. You can't go wrong. That icy outsole is just very, very clean, very nice. Make sure you guys put your drip grip on this icy outsole. Make sure you guys cop drip grip link down below to get your drip grip sole protectors and 30% off for Black Friday. Jordan 11 Cherries, don't sleep. Buy them while you can. They should be an easy cop for most of you on release day. Hey, I think it's a great pair, a clean pair of Jordan 11s at the end of the day. White, red, can't go wrong. If there's two sneakers in this video, I highly recommend everybody should buy now while they can. These two sneakers are top tier. It's got to be the Lost and Found Jordan 1s, as well as this Air Jordan 4. This Air Jordan 4 right here, beautiful. Great in hand. They executed them so well. The box, the packaging, the storytelling, everything about this Air Jordan 4 is great. I know some of you guys are going to say Lost and Founds are sneaker of the year. Some of you may think that the Alma Mater Air Jordan 4 is sneaker of the year. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know your sneaker of the year. When it comes to the Alma Mater Air Jordan 4, buy them. Buy them while you can. Prices are not too crazy. Retail's high at $225 plus tax plus shipping. Resale is around that $450 depending on size. Some sizes are under $400. I think it's a good buy. I think they're clean. They're wearable. The colorway is great. This all over muted purple. It's so clean in hand, and quality, I must say, is a whole nother level. The sock liner being quilted, the insole being quilted leather as well, and this material, I'm pretty sure it's Durabuck, but I'm not 100% sure what material it is, but the material is smooth, it's nice, great colorway, and you got that beautiful Nike Air on the back. The midsole, cream, vintage looking. A Ma Maniére has been killing it on their collaborations, whether it's the 3, the 4, the 1, the 2. I want you guys to rank them down below in the comments. For me, it's got to go 4, 3, 1, 2. That's just my opinion. I think the 4s are the best A Ma Maniére Air Jordan we've seen. You do have the logo on the tongue on the left shoe, Jumpman on the right shoe, Nike Air on both. They killed it with this collaboration. That cream outsole. This is a great pair of Jordan 4s. Guys, if there's 2 sneakers in this video, I recommend everybody to buy while they can. It's got to be the Lost and Founds and the A Ma Maniére 4s. These top 2 sneakers right here for the entire year. Best releases, some of the best releases we've gotten all year and definitely in quite some time. So, hey, don't sleep on the A Ma Maniére 4s. They're great, man. It's a great shoe. I think you guys are going to love them in hand. Quality-wise, it's a great shoe. Just everything's great. Storytelling, details. You do have a button there on the side with the A Ma Maniére logo. These are just clean. Clean, wearable, they go hard. Down the line, I am anticipating prices to go up. It's an A Ma Maniére and it's a Jordan 4 during the hype and prime of the Jordan 4 right now. I'm expecting prices to go up over time. It's a great pair of Jordan 4s, a collab Jordan 4. Lost and Found Air Jordan 1 giveaway. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to Affordable Shoe Review, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. Make sure you guys send me that DM over on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you did everything. Good luck. This giveaway ends next week. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.